So I did Terraform init that just initializes all the modules. So I'm passing in a var file that has the archon password, which is not a very sophisticated way.
It's not coded in the...
It's not hard coded in my code. So there we go. It wants to add 96 things.
Go for it.
Yeah. Now, the problem is, well, we might not get to see it because it happens so fast.
Yeah, unless you have to monitor.
Oh, that's already next to you.
It's already there. You know what I'm saying? It's too fast. Let's really fast shit.
You know what you do? Extend monitor.
SH.
You define traffic in the computer.
Sleep 15. Oh.
You just do a resource extend like, hey, resource time, and depend on that, and yes, not script.
Yeah, I could use some null resource. So, let me run Terraform destroy.
Scripts that you start with your team.
We're going to delete everything.
My God.
In teams, I think.
You can see everything there. Actually, F3 again.
Let it go.
It's very easy to take.
When I run sleepy.sh, I'm going to sleep for 15 seconds, which will allow me to switch over, and then we can see the full effect. All right, we ready?
Timing it.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. This will be really awkward if it doesn't work. 1.
You have to hit yes on the apply stick.
Well, the problem is that you have to add yes to it.
I know YOLO, right? We got a YOLO. We forgot the YOLO. It's terrible.
This is definitely how you should be running Terraform.
I know.
100%.
Down there is provided.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Wait for it.
2, 1. Last turn. Castle.
That's what you
Minecraft.